So basically, I'm running the place, and I got a bunch of people telling me I can't do this, I can't do that, but it's my restaurant, okay? It's my restaurant. So when you guys start your company, your restaurants, just remember this. Cook what you want, do what you want, because, and I'm telling you this right now, it's never what you think it is. Now my grill is working all day long, and I love it. I love it. I got Coke machines here, I got waffles, I got it all. I got guys drilling and screwing in here. That's my whole place. Order up, you know. So anyway, kind of a little. I just gotta get into it. You know? I don't think it's clean, but who knows? Now the owner came in and wants me to do the dishes. I'm not going to do it. I mean, this stuff's been piling up for weeks. And you think I'm going to do the dishes here? Yeah. Just fly, Travis. Another day, another dollar, or in this case, another burnt burger. Oh my God, turn it off, turn it off. Look at this mess. Hundreds of dishes and not a soul to help. You think those people out there know what they're munching on? Disgusting? Nah, this is home.
Ladies, it's that time again. What can I whip up for you tonight?
Travis, finally! Make me a cheeseburger, extra pickles.